Hey guys, what's going on? This is Coach Barrera. I'll be the 7th and 8th grade boys PE teacher for this school year. This is my second year here at Jackson and 15th overall in the district. I coach football, basketball, and track, and I'm very excited for the challenges that the school year is going to bring us. Starting virtually is not ideal, but I think we can do some good things with it. A little bit about myself. I'm married and I have 4 children, 3 boys and a girl. I went to UTSA. I went to Madison High School, so I've been around the district for a long time. Everyone should have got an email from me with the Google Class codes. If for some reason your child did not receive an email from me, please shoot me an email at sbarre2 at neisd.net and I will get that to him as soon as possible. The boys should log in just a few minutes before class time and be ready to go on through Zoom. The Zoom links are there on the Google Classroom as well, along with syllabus, expectations, and all the activities we're going to be doing. We're going to try to keep it as close as possible as we would do in the actual gym. We'll be doing stretches and strength exercises. We'll be running in place. We'll be learning rules of games, trying to practice the skills of these games and sports activities, um, through the distance. Um, and we're going to be playing some brand new virtual games too. I'm very excited. This is a challenge that I think that we could all do well and excel in. Um, I'm very excited to see the boys soon. And again, if you have any questions at all, please email me at sbarre2 at neisd.net. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.